you're getting it started. So you go up here, you can see on the screen, visualizer is this blue icon. Double click there. Once it's loaded, the next thing to choose are some of the settings. I'm going to start here with the menu. Open menu, select camera, choose that it's the Recordex, not your built-in webcam or another camera connected like a USB web camera, but choose your Recordex document camera. From there, go to resolution, still in the menu here. Choose numbers that are in the 2000s. I happen to choose the biggest that my camera can make, which is an older one that can only do 2592 by 1994. Yours can go larger, bigger than that, but in the 2000s, our computing power does pretty well. From there, I'm going to click outside of that by clicking on the menu and then coming over here to the settings. This checkbox that is now checked, keep camera settings. It's going to remember that I last used the Recordex camera. I last had the resolution set. I last had some of the other brightness, contrast, etc. Click close. Now we're going to get to usage. I like full screen. So like where my mouse is moving on the right here, I don't want that seen. So I'm going to use the top right corner, full screen. I'm going to hide this image here. From there, the other thing that I like to do is to be able to zoom. The zoom button is in a different place. The plus sign that's here then puts this in the middle. You can see this white plus and minus button that I'm using my mouse to click on. There's also a black circle with a white magnifying glass that allows me to grab and hold. If I zoom in and then use autofocus, it'll adjust and make slightly better pictures. And if I do some other work, you can see that clicking here in the top right corner, when it's zoomed in, I can pan by digitally panning the image to be able to go around. Another thing you'll notice, you can't see me doing it, but if I left click, click, all the menus seem to disappear. If I left click another time, click, it comes back. If I double click, 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 it goes out of full screen and allows me to go and open something. If I double click again, click, click, it goes back into full screen and allows me to use. Zoom back out. I've got my full image, the borders of my page here. The last thing a lot of teachers like to use is freeze. So I went to the menu, freeze the image. Now, if I turn, what you can't hear is I'm picked up the paper and I'm wrestling it near my microphone, but you can't tell that that's what I've done until I resume live image. Now, paper's not there. Now it is. With that, those are some of the ideas to be able to set your camera resolution, have this camera settings set, and be able to make it full screen, as well as the zoom functions